How to turn on restricted mode on YouTube. Hey everyone, welcome back to the channel. In today's tutorial, I'll show you how you can easily turn on restricted mode on YouTube application. Without any further delay, let us just go right into the video. Open up YouTube. Once you open it up, to find your restricted mode, what you want to do next is tap on the profile icon at the bottom right corner. And once on New section, you'll find the settings menu at the top right. Tap on the gear to go to settings. Once settings opens up, the restricted mode, you can find it on privacy section. If not, you can go back and tap on general at the very top. Then you'll find this restricted mode option. All you have to do is tap on this toggle to turn it on. What it does is it's going to help you hide potentially mature videos, and no filter is 100% accurate. This setting only applies to this particular app on this device. If you are logged into any other device, you're going to have to turn this mode on every other device. So this is where you can easily turn on restricted mode. I hope this tutorial was helpful. Hit the like button down below, subscribe to the channel, and I'll see you guys in the next one.